Daniel, long time no talk. I bought a new bike. It's called the Budnitz Alpha. If you haven't seen Budnitz, they're pretty dope. So I ordered one, and now I'm going to do an unboxing of it. So we'll see how it looks. I clearly have not opened it, as you can see. Everything is still very sealed up. The lighting, it's not the greatest. I'm in my shop, but it's where I'm going to do it. So, oh, there we go. So, stay tuned. Yeah, hopefully that's good. I can't really tell. I'm using my little GoPro, so I don't have a screen on. Oh, God, this thing is stuck. I'm pretty excited. I had to wait several months, or at least a few months to get this thing. I don't remember when I placed the order. It was a while ago. Budnitz is like a custom bike builder, but they did a semi-custom build for their first run, and I was one of the first ones to get it. So hopefully by the time I post this video, even though I'm terrible at posting videos. Oh, Lordy. All right, we're making progress. Anyways, hopefully by the time I post the video, it's still cool, and it's not like 2032. Oh. Ooh-wee. Oh yeah, this thing's gonna be real dope. All right. Here's what's in the box. A bike. I wonder... All right, let me put up my bike stand. I have a review of this bike stand on my channel too, so if you wonder which one it is, or you want more information about it, just look it up. It's made by Bike Hand. Pretty decent stand. I'll probably get another one at some point, but for now it gets the job done. Alright. See what we got. Ooh. Come back over here. Oh man, I'm so excited about this thing, you have no idea. These guys are cool. Budnitz bikes, look them up. If I remember, I'll put a link in the description. If not, you can just Google it or something, but pretty cool little company. Alright. Step number one, we gotta install the seat post so that I can hold it in my bike stand. Sorry, I'm not real good at this whole unboxing thing. This is my first attempt ever. Hopefully my battery lasts. Yeah, done. Away with you, plastic. Ooh. Holy moly. Oh, yes. This is dope. I don't know if you can see it, but their seat post is even stamped Budnitz. It's let me grab some tools. pump. All right. Oh yes, there she blows. Oh yeah, this is gonna be dope. All right, out of the box, here's what we got. Look at this black. Yes. This bike is clean. They have some of the best lines. Look, all the cables are internally routed. You can't really see because I still got a bunch of crap on here. But between that, look at this, no derailleur. It's just clean, sleek, smooth. Some Schwalbe tires, black rims, hydraulic discs, Tektro style. Oh yeah, this baby's the bomb. Man, should we keep going? I think so. Alright. We'll slowly expose her beauty. Let's see what else I got in here actually. I have another box of parts. Oh yes. Yes. Get out. Oh yes, this thing is getting doper. They packaged it awesome. Look at this, Budnitz cranks, Gates carbon drive. Man, pumped, pumped. All right. Left-hander. I thought, maybe I'll wait for tomorrow. Then I thought, what if tomorrow never comes? We need to get this thing out of the box. So that's what I chose to do instead, was to get it out of the box. Oh yeah, she's a beaut. Look at this. These wheels are just all black. Ah, Vittoria. Adventure. Sorry, I thought they were Schwalbe's. My bust. Oh man. Sexy. Put this off to the side. Telling you what, guys, there's very few things as satisfying as undressing a brand new bike. I mean, usually these things come all together. You don't get any of the enjoyment of doing it yourself. I don't think it's edible. When I worked in a bike shop as a kid, teenager, oh yes, this was my favorite part. Look at this thing. Sweet. Alright, well, here's what I can tell you so far. They did a good job of packaging it. I don't see even so much as a scuff on it. Dopeness. Look at this. Budnitz. Everything got their name on it. You know how sometimes you think to yourself, man, if I just would have used the right tool to begin with, life would be better off. But sometimes you just get excited and you just get the first thing that looks like it could cut a zip tie. And although it's working, this cable and housing cutter, this thing looks like a damn dog toenail cutter to me. Probably just charged me 3 times the price for it. Oh yeah. Oh man, look at this thing. I hope this video is doing it justice.